Why does lean manufacturing fail? Typical question I get asked. In this video, I have an answer for that. Stay tuned for more. Hey, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. People ask me a lot of different questions, but one very common question is, why does lean manufacturing or lean initiatives or operational excellence initiatives fail? And obviously that's not an easy question to answer like in a simple way, but what I can see is that one of the most common reasons is it's treated as it's 100% logical. It's only about engineering. And so we put people in charge of the programs, or often engineers. We hire engineers to actually drive the program, often quite advanced engineering. And then if I ask them, what is your biggest challenges that you have currently in your business? Emotional, leadership, cultural questions outperform the logical questions with 2 to 1 approximately. So the biggest problem customers have is really around leadership, culture, engaging people, handling people situations and such. And often the people who are put in charge for these systems are not trained to handle that, which means that they're going to struggle, and often when you struggle and you get frustrated, you start blaming other people, etc. So what can happen is you go into this really bad spiral where you blame people instead of working together with them. There's very few people who jump into change if it hits them, as opposed to if they're part of it already and you let them be kind of develop their own solutions, it's easier for them to buy into it. So if I would answer the question, what is the most common reason why initiatives fail? I believe that it's a fundamental issue that we think that change is primarily technical, and then we face emotional, cultural, leadership challenges that we don't know how to handle, and we actually don't address them. What do you think? Do you agree with me that this is one of the most common reasons for failure? I would love to know more. And as a matter of fact, I would love to come talk to you in your business and talk more about operational excellence, different initiatives underneath that umbrella name. I would love to do that. So reach out to me, please. I'll be happy to do it. Share this video as well, because I do believe there are more people than you who needs to listen to this. And thank you for listening.